Instagram suspended account recovery. So here is a simple, quick, and effective guide. First of all, Instagram may suspend your account for violating community guidelines or terms of use, fake identity, or impersonation. Spammy behavior, mass following, unfollowing, use of bots or automation tools, and reports from other users. You can only get your account back if the suspension was a mistake or a minor violation. You submit the correct appeal form in the Instagram help and you provide accurate and honest info. You verify your identity if asked. If you repeatedly violated Instagram's guideline or you used bots or fake engagement apps or impersonated someone, the suspension is permanent. You will often be told if so. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.